our 2 liters commercial blender jar. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a height of 9.5 inches tall, a length of 5.25 inches, 5.25 inches in depth. Coming to the bottom will be the spinning blade, and the front will be the numerical indicator and volume for storage within the blending jar. Cover that can be removed and locked into place on top of the blending jar, along with the removable steam cap. Coming to the bottom, measurements will include 4.25 inches in length, but 4.25 inches in depth. This blender jar can be purchased separately through our website and will work with specific models that we carry through Cooler Depot. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.